In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change your GoDaddy account email effectively. Changing your email address on GoDaddy is a pretty straightforward process, and we will guide you through it step by step. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account. Now, the signing in part is relatively easy. Enter your username and password, hit the Enter key, or click the Sign In button, and voila, you're in. If by any chance there are any issues, ensure that caps lock isn't on accidentally or recheck the spelling of your username and password. Once you're in, you are likely to notice your name prominently displayed in the top right corner of the screen. Yes, that's right. Gently glide your cursor over to your name and give it a nice click. By clicking your name, you are just navigating your way to your profile. Remember, the profile section houses all your important personal information, including your email address. Next, scroll down a bit, and you will see an option labeled Account Settings. This option will specifically lead you towards the configuration areas of your account. Go ahead and click on the Account Settings. Within this section, you should see another option labeled Email. We're moving in the right direction now, so please click on that. Once the email section opens itself to you, you should see a field or spot where your current email address is displayed. Here's where you make the change. Click on this field, erase your old email address, and then type in your new email address carefully. Ensure you haven't missed any letters or characters to avoid any potential errors. After you have entered the new email address, go ahead and select the option that says Update. At this point, GoDaddy needs to verify this change. After all, they need to know it's truly you who is making this update and not someone else. So, you'll be sent a verification code to your new email. Don't worry, this is standard procedure when changing important account details. Go to your new email account, open the email from GoDaddy, and you should find the verification code there. Copy this code, return to the GoDaddy page where you requested the email change, and then paste or type in the verification code in the provided box. After this, confirm the change. And congratulations, you have changed your email address in your GoDaddy account. From now on, all updates and communication from GoDaddy will be sent to this new email address. Now, wasn't that easy? By following these commands, you can easily navigate and make changes to your GoDaddy account settings whenever you need to. Remember to always keep your account details up to date for a smooth and efficient user experience. GoDaddy is committed to making your online journey simple and exciting. Happy surfing!